I'm Kaylee.
And I'm Christa.
And today we are doing our Daily Goodie unboxing for September 2017. Woo woo! I have not opened this yet.
No, but it's heavy.
It's super heavy, you guys. Like every month we get them and we're like, oh, I wonder what's gonna be in it. And every month it's super heavy. So, boom. Yes, we are driving, but Christa's a very safe driver.
Very safe driver.
Okay.
If you were watching 5 minutes ago and I said I was not sure if it was green or a red light.
There's really good stuff in here, you guys. Oh my, let's dig in. Do you see all this good stuff?
Well, it's hard for me to see because I'm driving, but what's that?
Okay, this.
Uh-oh, Santios. That's the husband. We're gonna just silence
Okay,
him.
1 sec. Oh, do you want to take it?
No, that's okay. Okay.
Bye, Jim. Okay,
Back on track.
so this is so incredible. This is Lovebug Probiotics. Here's the skinny. It is an entire thing. It is 30 capsules that they gave us this month.
That's awesome.
Holy buckets.
That's very cool.
Wow. Everyone should take a probiotic.
Yes.
It's super
Is
good
that
for your
glass?
gut. Yeah, it's glass.
That's fancy.
And it's like a really pretty thing. But that's by Lovebug. So
That's very cool.
That's really exciting. Obviously, we can't taste test those.
But we will be taking them.
Alright, should I just get everything out?
Yeah.
Taste it? Okay. So next we have got Peach Buds, hard candy with a peachy tang.
I like
ButterFields, disappearing from candy jars since 1924.
Wow.
Yeah. Yum. Let's try these. Oh. Wow. There's so many treats in this one.
Oh my.
Okay.
Hey, oh,
For
okay.
you. Yum.
I do love,
Ooh.
I
like
love
these.
the flavor of peach.
Yep. So these are just a nice little candy.
And I don't know why, but peach reminds me of fall. Is it supposed to?
I don't know.
I thought apples were. But peach always reminds me of fall. I love them. They're very good.
They're really good. And they're from North Carolina. This company.
I like those.
You guys, if you don't get Daily Goodie Box, you really should.
Are there coupons in here for them?
We'll see.
We love a coupon. Who doesn't love a coupon?
We love a coupon. We love some coupons. No, but there's those skinny cookies we were just talking about. Okay. From that, oh my gosh. There's so much stuff. We are coming to.
Hold on.
We're coming home during rush hour.
Yeah. It's 4 p.m., so it's just getting started in Madtown, USA.
We're just at the grocery store, and we just saw these.
We did.
These are the GinnyBakes Organics mini cookies. Okay, you guys, these are good. I'm serious. I know for a fact because we got them.
Yeah.
And look at that. Look at that cookie. Want one?
Yeah. Do you still have your chewed
I chewed it already.
it? You chewed it and swallowed it? It's a hard candy. That's why you're going to the dentist tomorrow.
These are gluten-free. From Miami, Florida. I know.
They're so pretty.
They're so good. GinnyBakes.
I love these.
Yum! Alright. Oh my goodness. Okay. There's so much good stuff in here, you guys. Okay, this next one is... Oh. Okay. This is perfect if you're going to work and you bring your own, say you take oatmeal for lunch or breakfast.
Yeah.
Look at this. Maple sugar in a packet. It's like brown sugar packets, and we have 3 of them.
That's awesome.
Oh.
That's a really good idea.
Yeah, that's a really good
How come
idea.
that idea's never come about before? I've never seen that before.
I don't know. It's from Dutchess County, New York. All natural, no additives, and gluten-free.
That's really smart.
Yeah. That's
I like that.
exciting because we both love oatmeal.
Yes, we do.
All right. Next thing we get. Oh my gosh, barbecue sauce. We got 2 kinds from Rufus.
I have chicken
Teague.
wings at home that I made yesterday.
You gotta try this stuff. So we got honey sweet and whiskey maple, and they come in these cute little packages. 70 calories per thing, so that's pretty cool. I'm pretty excited about those. Put them on chicken, put them on anything, meat, anything. Yum.
That's delicious.
I'm sure, who hasn't had Trolli gummy worms? Like, they're probably the best gummy worms in the whole world.
Oh, you're gonna make Jim very upset by saying that.
Which kind well, I just like these ones. I like the red and the blue.
He likes the other one.
Woo, they're so good.
That's
Guys, get a daily goodie box.
good. That's good.
Oh my god.
Pulled pork, what?
Okay.
Oh, no. Oh, paleo.
Next, paleo. Next, we've got Paleo Powder Pink All-Purpose Seasoning. Try it on meat, veggies, or any dish while you're cooking.
Oh.
So for you paleo girls, boys, look at this stuff.
And what is it?
It's Himalayan pink salt, chili powder, garlic powder, black pepper, onion powder, white pepper, cumin, and cayenne, all mixed into one.
That sounds very tasty.
Yeah, that's really cool. You could try that too.
I could.
On your
Yeah.
stuff. All right. Oh my gosh, this is never ending. Okay. Next, we have this huge sample of Nellie's All Natural Baby Laundry. Wow.
Wow, that's very cool.
Biodegradable, non-toxic, hypoallergenic, gluten-free, no GMOs. Look at this.
Oh, that's a really good sample size.
Look at that.
And that's really nice.
As big as my hand.
All natural.
Yeah, one spoonful is all you need.
That's very cool.
15 loads. Oxygen booster. That's super exciting to try.
Yeah, that's very cool.
All right.
We'll be splitting that.
Yeah, we'll split that. And then, okay, Guru Organic Energy. Boom, guys.
Which we could both use right now.
Yeah, I think we should try it. It's got, sparkling water, organic cane syrup, organic white grape juice, concentrate, citric acid, apple acid, natural flavors, green tea, guarana, and Panax ginseng. Give this a try.
Yes.
I gotta do this though, because if it explodes, that'd be real bad.
My car would get a bath, which it probably could use.
Okay, ready?
I am ready. What's the flavor?
Ooh, just like, it tastes like berry or something?
Oh, that's good.
Yeah, it doesn't really have a flavor.
That doesn't have the bite that a lot of the other
No,
energy drinks have.
that's really good. I
Like
would
that
drink
too sour, like, you know, bite that they have. That's very tasty. Yeah, it tastes like berry.
Yeah, it just
Strawberry?
tastes like berry.
That's good. I like that.
Yeah, that's good. And then, of course, because Daily Goodie Box is amazing, they also put in some coupons. So we got for the cookies and the other products that GinnyBakes has there for some of the barbecue sauce, which I'm very excited to try. And then the Crown Maple, which if you remember, a couple goodie boxes ago, we got the little Crown Maple.
That's what I thought.
Yeah,
Yes.
so now we've got the brown sugar packets, which is so cool.
Yeah,
So,
I really like that idea. That's phenomenal.
you guys, if you're not getting Daily Goodie Box yet, follow the link down below and get Daily Goodie Box, because it is so much fun.
It is.
It's free to sign up, and
it gets you trying a lot of things that you've never heard of from these really great companies.
So
that,
cool.
Yeah.
I love them so much. So, like I said, follow the link down below. We will have everything linked below too of what we got today. So make sure you try out some of these goodies. I'm gonna eat some more worms. Otherwise, like and subscribe. All right,
And we'll see you next time.
and we'll see you next time.
Bye, guys.
Bye.